Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and you might find that when it's a good time to mow, you don't have the time. And when you do have the time, it's raining. Let me tell you how this OWLMOW robotic mower has helped. First, it took the timing out of the equation and gets the bulk of my mowing done when I'm busy doing other things. While you can start it without the app, the OWLMOW app lets you customize settings, and if you have good Wi-Fi, you can control it even when you're not right next to it. The mower's really quiet and uses GPS to keep track of where it's mowed, and that also helps it to mow in nice straight lines. If the battery runs out and it has to resume, it follows the boundary wire right back to the area where it hasn't mowed and gets back to finishing the job. The blades consist of a disc with 3 razor blades attached to it, so if it hits a rock or stick, it's not going to damage an expensive blade. You can lower or raise the blade height without tools, and the blades are inexpensive and easy to replace just with a screwdriver. It even comes with some extra blades. It comes with 2 spools of 200-meter boundary wire, along with water-resistant connectors to join them together, or if your wire ever gets cut. With the included stakes, it keeps the wire below the cut level without having to bury the wire, though you could do that also if you wanted. The mower and its base are IPX5 waterproof, so they're easy to rinse off and you don't have to worry about rain. They recommend that your grass not be higher than 3 inches before the first mow, but this will depend on the density of your grass. Mine was a little longer, but the mower did fine, especially after the second pass. With the boundary wire, you should also go around low objects like tree roots or garden pavers so the mower doesn't get stuck on top of them. Once I had the obstacles accounted for and the holes filled in the yard, this mower just quietly goes about its business while I go about mine elsewhere. All that's left when it's done is some string trimming along the edges, which I would have to do anyway with a regular mower. If you're ready to offload most of your mowing to a robot, this OWLMOW robotic mower will save you time and effort, and that's my point of view.